Anapaman, Jai Parajay, Labha Labh, like this. Profit and loss, honor and dishonor, pleasure and pain, summer and winter. So the living entities in this world run here and there trying to welcome pleasure and resist suffering, welcome honor and oppose insult, and welcome success and oppose failure. So in doing this opposition, a lot of energy is expended. Now one may have a question, what's wrong in opposing this unwanted side? One may ask. For example, in a furnace, when you lit a fire, in villages, there's also smoke. But if somebody tries to drive up the smoke, take for example, you take a funkni, we call it, no? You blow on the smoke, the more smoke spreads everywhere. And all people's eyes and nose, they are afflicted by smoke and people suffer also. So Shastra said, don't focus your attention on the smoke, focus it on the fire. Put the funkni inside the furnace and blow it on the fire, because when fire increases, smoke will be gone. Similarly, the Shastra say that whenever you suffer in this world, you focus more on spiritual life. Because when spiritual life expands, and all material miseries will be evaporated. Therefore it says, Hridayantasto hi abhadrani vidhunoti surasata, by reading the Bhagavata, or by chanting the holy name. But divinities generally will not do that. Because they will say that, oh, where is time for God? Where is time for chanting? First of all, you have to sort out our problem. So most living entities are oriented towards sorting out the problem, and therefore they are expanding the smoke. But those who are a small percentage of intelligent devotees, those who focus on the fire of Krishna consciousness, they expand Krishna consciousness and the smoke will be dissipated, they will be gone. So, at least during the time of chanting in the morning, when thoughts of these dualities attack our mind, oh, I have this problem, I have that problem, yesterday this happened, tomorrow that will happen. So this kind of thoughts, when they occupy the mind, the intelligent jiva, what you should tell to oneself, these dualities are like the waves of the ocean, which cannot be stopped in this material world. So if somebody says, let the waves of the ocean stop, then I'll take bath. Will the waves stop? The waves will never stop, you'll never take bath, and body will be stinking. So best is, along with the waves, one should take bath. Like the Gajendra's leg was caught by the crocodile, along with that pain of the crocodile biting, he still was offering archana to the Lord. So one of the 9 processes of devotion service. So we should perform devotion service side by side with our troubles in this world. One who can do that without working too hard to counteract those troubles. One should have a firm faith that when I render devotion service, Lord is pleased, then Lord can stop those waves of miseries if He wants, and He can increase our remembrance. So I surrender to Lord, and Lord takes care of the problems, and suddenly you will find the problems go far away, and then you are able to do devotion service better and better. This is the formula Lord is prescribing. He says, Sarvadharman Parityajya, Mamekam Sharanam Vraja, Aham Tvam Sarva Papebhyo Vashishyami. You surrender to me, my child, and I will take care of your problem. I am here, do not fear. And then you come to me. We say, we will come to you later. First, let me solve the problem. So this is the way the material world is. So there is one verse in Gita where he says, Chitatmana prashantatma paramatma samahitaha shitoshna sukha dukkheshu tatamana pamanayo. If somebody has conquered these dualities, Shita, Ushna, Sukha, Dukkha, Manapama. Shita, Ushna is the bodily level, and Sukha, Dukkha is at the mental level, and Manapaman is the egoistic level. If one can just ignore these 6 items, you have already attained the super soul. Krishna is telling. Jitatmana prashantatma. One who has become self-controlled and has avoided the dualities in life, he can very easily focus on spiritual. Just like in the early morning hours, the roads have no traffic. But in the daytime, there's a lot of traffic. You will see that. Similarly, those dualities are like the traffic jam. And focusing on the Lord is like a clear road. So one who keeps oneself in sattva and focuses on the Supreme Lord's lotus feet, such people can keep dualities in bay and then focus on chanting. That is what he said. Yato yato nishchalati manaschanchalamaschiram tadastato niyam yatad atmaniyavasham. As and when the mind wanders to sort out the dualities, pull it back, and focus on the holy name. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
And this becomes possible when we increasingly understand Krishna is the controller. And initially we think, I am the controller, and where is Krishna? I don't find where is he, like we ask. But later on when we grow, we think, I am also controller, Krishna is also controller. Some things he controls, something I control. But later on we understand, my control is very limited. And Krishna's control is practically everything. When that faith dawns in our heart, at that time, the Jiva says, Krishna, because you are the Sarveshwareshwara, Nanda Kumara. So because you are in supreme control, I am very insignificant. I don't too much worry about my problems. You take care of my problems, but rather I focus on you. And that is the holy name Japa. And then the Japa, the more we are oriented towards the Lord, the less we are oriented towards the problems. We are rightly situated. Chinta na karo, chintan karo. दुनियादारी चीज़ों के बारे में चिंता ना करो, वो जो होना होगा, लेकिन चिंतन करो भगवान के ऊपर. So hear the holy name nicely. And then Lord is like our mother and father for us. He will take care of us. What is best for us, He knows. And there is no one equal to Him or greater than Him. Nobody can surpass Him. With that confident faith, the devotee should chant the holy name. Harinam Prabhu ki Jai. Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki Jai. Srila Prabhupada ki Jai.